question is a fixed mass of gas of volume 600 centimeter cube at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius is cooled at constant pressure to a volume of 546 centimeter cube. What is the change in temperature? So if we are to solve this, we have to first of all collect our data. So that means the initial volume given to us from the question is 600 centimeter cube. Now we're given initial temperature, our initial temperature, which is T1, we're given as 27 degrees Celsius. So if we are to convert to Kelvin now, we should have 27 plus 273, which should give us 300 Kelvin. Then we have the final volume from the question. Final volume, which is V2, is given to us as 546 centimeter cube, and then we are asked to find the final temperature. So the final temperature, which is T2. So using our relationship, we have that V1 over T1 is equals to V2 over T2. So by the time we make our T2 the subject formula now, we should have that T2 is equal to V2 times T1 all over V1. So by the time we substitute into the formula now, we are going to have T2 is equals to, our V2 is 546 and our T1 is 300. Now to be divided by 600. Then we have that 546 times 300 is 163,800. So by the time we divide it by 600, we are going to have 273 Kelvin. So this is the change in what? In temperature. So you can also see that from this relationship, you can see that our initial volume is on the high side, yes, 600 centimeter cube. Our initial temperature is also on the high side, 300 Kelvin. Now the whole thing was cooled down to 546 centimeter cube, and definitely our temperature was also reduced, because the relationship between volume and temperature is direct. So that's why we have our final answer to be 273 Kelvin. So in our next video, we are going to discuss the third law, which is known as the pressure law or Gay-Lussac's law.